Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, February 5th, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to give you my top 3 reasons why you should join QuickSilver Wealth Accelerated. But before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years now, full-time since 2018. And I enjoy helping other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So, QuickSilver, all right? I've been involved with this company since December of 2024, all right? December 29th, I believe I joined, of 2024. So just over a year, about 14 months, all right? And it's a great company. They've been in business since 2019. Very transparent owners. Everything that I look for when I join a company or work with a company, they check all the boxes, okay? So the top 3 reasons why you should join. Number 1, you're getting real assets as opposed to other companies out there in the work from home, network marketing, MLM space. All right, you're getting real tangible products, assets that are worth something. And I'm not saying that, the health and wellness, that those products aren't worth anything, or digital products are not worth anything. But this is something that has real value. All right, you're stacking silver. And if you choose to, you can stack gold. But it's real tangible assets as opposed to, potions, lotions, and pills that you use them, they're consumable. And, once they're gone, right? Your money pays for them, you use them. And after that, there's nothing left. Here, you're getting tangible assets that continue to go up in value and will continue to go up in value over time. So it's a way to build, long-term wealth by stacking silver. All right, I focus mostly on silver. I have very little gold. I would say 95% of my stack is all silver. But you're getting a tangible asset, real value. There's no hype involved. Currently, the silver price is about $74.50 an ounce when I checked it this morning. So yeah, it was up near $122, and then it recently crashed. But that's just market manipulation, and there's other factors that go into what has happened. But it's correcting itself right now, and in my opinion, you're going to continue to see it move in an upward trend. So I think before long it'll be back up in triple digits. But that's just my opinion. I'm not a silver expert or financial advisor or anything like that. So that's reason number 1. You're getting real assets. Reason number 2, and on top of that, this is like a bonus reason that fits with getting tangible assets. Every time you make a purchase or the company makes a sale, they take a % of that revenue and they send it over to Feed My Starving Children, which is a nonprofit organization that feeds starving children all around the world, including here in the United States. So you're like doing charitable work while you're collecting real assets, which is kind of cool. Reason number 2 is there's multiple income streams. Okay, now you can become just a regular customer or a preferred customer and get membership, member pricing. But if you decide to become a wealth ambassador like I am, you can earn up to 7 different ways for sharing the business with other people, okay? And I would say half of the people that I have on my team are preferred customers, and the other half are wealth ambassadors, okay? So you don't have to be a wealth ambassador to get the discounted pricing. But if you do, you can earn up to 7 different ways. We have customer acquisition bonuses. We have coin challenge package bonuses. We have wealth cycles. We have 7 different ways, okay, that you can earn by sharing this with other people. And the cool thing that they allow you to do is they allow you to give away free silver bars to get people to take a look at the business opportunity. Okay, or just to become a preferred customer. You can just give away free silver bars. So that's why you can go and get your free silver bar at freesilverbar.com. Okay, freesilverbar.com. Go and check it out. Check out this whole business and what they're all about and what we're all about. and how you can get paid up to 7 different ways for sharing the opportunity and business with other people. All right, so that's reason number 2. And reason number 3 is it's work from home friendly, and it's beginner friendly. All right, I mean, you don't have to go out there and sell anybody on silver and gold, right? Especially a free silver bar where the customer just pays $2.47 to have it shipped to your door, right? To their door. $2.47 to have a silver bar shipped to their door. It's a no-brainer, right? So it's very newbie and work from home friendly. We have a very good branded marketing system that's optional, but well worth the money. They give you a week trial for free, and then it's $7.77 a month. But it has all the capture pages. It has all the sales pages. It has an email follow-up. It's really a complete CRM in the back where you can broadcast messages, send broadcast messages to everybody. And it just works really good. It's a solid marketing system. And you don't have to, if you're not into social media or maybe you're not into direct mail, you don't have to do any of that. You just find a way that works for you to share this opportunity with other people and just do that. All right. We have places where you can get postcards for this opportunity, business cards. We have flyers, brochures, we have apparel, shirts. So there's all kinds of different ways to market this opportunity. And like I said, giving away free silver is really a no-brainer. So those are my top 3 reasons. The simple fact that you're getting real assets in the mail delivered to your house every 30 days. You're feeding starving children with every purchase that's being made. That's number 1. Number 2 is the multiple income streams where you can get paid up to 7 different ways. No guarantees. I can't guarantee that you'll make any money, but it's totally dependent on your work ethic. But the people that join me and put in the work, they make money. All right. And then the company allows you to use your commissions to stack more silver if you choose to. So that's what I've been doing. I haven't taken any money out of this company or out of my commission since I've been a part of it. I just simply take my commissions and buy more silver. So, and then of course, reason number 3, it's work from home friendly. All right. You don't have to be a marketing guru or have a huge following to share this opportunity. The masses are waking up to silver. It's been in the mainstream media recently, and more and more people are getting interested in it, and we're seeing what's happening with all that. So those are my 3 reasons. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. And again, go get your free silver bar at freesilverbar.com. Check it all out. Let me know if you have any questions, and we can go from there. But I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.